Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, I will show you how to download Windows 11 ISO file and make a bootable USB device. First, you need to search a Bitcomet in Google. After that, go to open the first link. Then click on download. Again, click on download. After downloading, you just open the Bitcomet setup here. Open it. Okay, then click on OK and just follow the on-screen procedure. Click on next, then click decline here. Okay, let it complete the installation process. Okay, now open the Bitcomet. You can find in the system tray if you don't find in the taskbar. Then you have to open this torrent file. You can get the link to this file in the description of this video. Just right click and open it in Bitcomet. Then select the location where you want to save the ISO file, that is Windows 11 file, on your hard drive. Then select download now. After that, the download process will complete. So whenever you see the orange button over there, that is up orange button, you will see in few seconds. You need a good internet speed for this because it is almost 5 GB of data. So you can see now I got orange button here. Just stop it and open the directory. Then you can see the first file, that is a Windows ISO file. Next, for converting this into bootable USB device, we need a software called Rufus. We will get the software now. In the Chrome browser or in your Google search, just type Rufus and press enter. Open it. Just scroll down and select this Rufus. The version may vary according to the time when you download it. After downloading, just open the Rufus. When you run for first time, it may ask to check for updates. Just click on no. Okay, now we have to select a USB device here. Okay, you please insert a pen drive and select the device there if it is not selected automatically. Then click on selected button below. Then go to the download location where you saved our DVD file. Okay, select and go to this PC. I'm going to my location where I saved it. You have to go to your location where you saved the Windows 10 file. Windows 11 file, sorry. Click on it, open. Then here you see two partition schemes are there, GPT and MBR. So you need to select a particular partition scheme depending upon your hard disk partition scheme. To know the partition scheme, I mean which partition scheme your hard disk is having, you need to, what you have to do is, you have to right click on the Windows button, that is start button, and click on disk management. Okay. Disk management will open. After opening, you will see disk 0, that is disk 0 your hard disk. Right click on disk 0. It may vary sometimes, the number may vary, but you have to find out which hard disk you are installing. Then right click, then properties. Then here you have to select volumes. Here you can see the partition style is GPT. So in my case it is GPT. If it is MBR in your hard disk, you have to select that only. So as it is GPT in my case, I am selecting GPT and clicking on start. So when you select this one, it gives a warning that all the data in drive will be deleted. Okay. Now after making your pen drive as a bootable OS file, this software show below a button called ready, just beside the cancel. You can see there. So this is how you can download Windows 11 and make a bootable flash drive for installing it. If you want to know the installation procedure of the Windows 11, please see the description of this video. You can find the links, detailed links, okay, links for the detailed video of installing Windows 11 and also fixing some errors while installing the Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Karthik signing off.